Did you know that you can remotely manage AVEVA Edge projects? If you have an AVEVA Edge development environment that is on a different node from your runtime environments, you can use the remote management tool to conveniently manage all of the major aspects of your runtime nodes. This video will show you how it works.
So here I have my development environment open, my development box. I'm gonna navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon, click on Connect, and that.
Can you guys hear this audio, by the way?
Yeah.
I can hear it.
Of the remote management tool. Now all you need to do to connect to it is enter the IP address right here and click Connect.
So I was talking over it, but in case you guys didn't catch it, you can open the remote management tool on the project on the ribbon up on top. There's a section called Connect. Click on that button and it opens up the remote management tool.
From here, you can click on the project tab, which allows you to download the project to the target station. So this installs the runtime files directly on your remote node. You can also import a project or the logs from the target station to the local computer and also activate the license on your remote node. This activation procedure right here works with the hardware identifier and activation code, just like if you were to license your development environment.
Right, so the really cool thing about this, right, is that you can do essentially, you can perform 4 steps from this tool, right? The first one is you connect to your remote nodes from your development environment, right? And then you can actually download your runtime files once they are developed in the development node to the runtime stations. You can also do it the other way, so import runtime files into your development environment, right? If you wanted to update them, for example. And then last but not least, you can actually activate the remote nodes licenses as well.